Today is February the 7th, 2021. We're locked down. This is Rohan Mohabir coming to you live. It's a snowy day, Sunday. They were expecting 5 to 7 inch. We are in the next storm. The last one, we had about 18 inches of snow in New York, Queens. Just to take a look at what is going on out there. That tree looks really beautiful. It looks really beautiful while it's falling, but when it's finished, you gotta go clean it. And that's what makes it the snow in New York. It's snowing on a snowy day. It's cold, it's quite cold, it's beautiful. It's cloudy, as you notice. The skies are decked with just whiteness. That's the snow that's coming down. There's no sunshine here, no gleams of sunshine, so we're gonna have snow perhaps maybe for a few hours, couple of days, but it's already about an inch, 2 inch already. So I just want to tell you, be safe, like this video, share it, click the button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell below so that you can get every video that I post on YouTube. Thank you, take care, have a blessed day, stay safe.